Hopefully it's working. Let me see what I can. Okay, right. I feel like it should work. Sorry, I'm yawning. Not sure why it's not live. Anyways, I see this from. Alright, I'm gonna draw on Facebook and see what's up on. Give me 1 second. Just so I didn't see the comments if there is any. Alright, we're here. Alright, what's up, everyone? Okay, I feel like. Let me see if we got an. Alright, they were good. Alright, today I'm gonna talk about live streaming and why I really love using it. I feel like it's so much easier to make videos on live streams. I mostly stream on my second channel and on YouTube because it's more fun to do so in that way. And another thing is that I can interact with the audience with it better that way in real time too. So there's a lot of things I can go through all this. Sorry about this is he's that loud. You have to know him. Anyways, I really love streaming when I stream reviews of, for example, The Flash, or even back then I used to stream reviews of other shows, maybe Legends of Tomorrow, but I'm not sure about tomorrow stuff. Anyways, I really love seeing how what streaming has done for my channels of overall. It's very important to make content, and especially the fact that I'm making a lot of them on different channels. I feel like live streaming them will be is a better option than recording it and then editing it and then all these things. Just it's like that take a long time to do so, but you all need to understand that it's a live stream thing. You may not get the watch time or anything like that all the way. However, you will be able to, if when you are able to interact with your audience that way, in some way, instantly, it's more, it feels a little bit more worth it to do so in some ways. So feel free to let me know what you think about that. And if you're watching this on YouTube, in the comments, what you guys think about doing that, because you do love. It's so much. It's a different aspect of all this. Really love seeing how this live streaming has changed the way I see content creating, and so I also do the flash reactions. Is that something fun I'm doing on my second YouTube channel? Basically, I'm in a way reacting to the show. So in a way, it's the audience can react with me if they choose to, or didn't play back, whatever, and then they pause my video and whatever they're watching at the same time, and then come back and unpause it. But basically, it's a way for me to, for example, react in a different way than other reactions usually do. They're mostly pre-recorded and just I just speak yeah as little as possible. However, if someone interacts with you, if audience member, if someone in the audience interacts with you, you can keep that momentum going and basically talk about whatever it is you want to, because it's more interactive. I've seen that, and then there are some hiccups along the way. Also depends on how you're streaming as well. I usually stream on OBS and Streamlabs OBS. Streamlabs OBS is mostly for Twitch, and then other things are the OBS is mostly for YouTube. Sometimes in the settings, I had no idea how to do any of this. I'm still live streaming back then when I first started doing YouTube, and now I'm even still learning. Like I did last week, I mentioned that I don't know what different the fits audio tracks means. It's basically for the Twitch and the VOD, and then but you can separate and categorize your audio at the same time. So that's something refreshing I never learned about. So even now I'm still learning how to interact with this software. Look at the stream, lost the signal. I don't know I don't know why I was like that. Anyways, see, that's another thing. The hiccups there, that's a little bit of a downside, but it tends to pick up, hopefully. Yeah, and also it depends on what else you're doing within the stream. Are you playing a game? So you're connecting a device such as the Switch or a capture card or camera or microphone or anything. It's always so many things that happen with live streaming that you have to prepare for, and it's very important to test things out. Especially, I recommend testing things out the day before or something like that. That way, by the time you're not usually like recording or streaming or whatever, that way you can plan things ahead of time. So if you have to make more time or cancel the stream, then it's understandable to do so, because it's not easy. Yeah, it's a lot of things to it. It's, and, it's just the way it is with technology. I thought. Yeah, this is real fun. I'm doing live streams on different platforms too, so I invent different two softwares that I mentioned already. So it's a lot of ways to is that you're having a different perspective as well, and you also if you have to stream, for example, whatever software you're streaming, you have to focus on the live streaming on the website as well, such as Facebook or YouTube or Twitch or any other streaming platform you will stream on, or because it's all in a way connected. You have to link the account and then to the software. Sometimes you have to have like for Twitch and my YouTube channels, I used to go back and forth too much. This is before I had trouble learning OBS back then too much. I still do, but I had to like on Streamlabs OBS. I used to go back and forth with Twitter and YouTube, logging in and out of each of them for channels for to stream on Twitch for to play games, and then my second channel where I do review shows, So it's a lot of back and forth there, and I just have to remember the password too. Oh yeah, so and make sure your devices are charged or plugged in or whatever. Excuse me, whatever works because you don't want to um, have it run out of power or battery in the middle of a stream. That would be good. Or yeah, overall. Also, that's very important to keep in mind. So, if you choose to live stream your content, let me know why. Let me know why you love doing so, or if you stop live streaming and just went for all the recording and adding route, then let me know too. Because it's always a way to learn from different people's perspectives on the way they see and do live streams based on their experience, their individual experiences with working like on live streaming on the platforms because it's a lot of fun stuff to it's a lot of interesting stuff to do online. I feel like that's all I have for today. Don't have all that much stuff to say. Otherwise, yeah, just my recap a little bit is that live streaming has been helpful. It's been useful. I, it's a really great tool to create content and also a way to use things as well. You'd also download the video and then put on your other like diversify your channels. Not distribute. That's the word I was looking for. My bad. Yeah, just so you want to put, for example, I'm gonna put this video on YouTube, so that way I can. Then I'll put the audio on Anchor. Oh yeah, one point. Then I changed the name of the podcast because when I go on Google, I type just my thoughts, since a lot of people have that name on the podcast platform, so I want to stand out because I just want to find a way for people to be like, oh yeah, that's Jose's, not just, so yeah, overall, just very important. I changed the name as much as I could, even the thumbnails on my YouTube channels and Anchor stuff as well. So same podcast, it's just the name's different, but same meaning basically in a way. So just keep that in mind. I already have an idea for next video. It's gonna be like 2-part thing. So it's gonna be how I review movies and how I review TV shows. I think I'm gonna do movies first. So I'm trying to discuss how to um I always I'm known for reacting. I mean not reacting, sorry. I kind of but not that's not the point for what I'm trying to say. I'm trying to do the videos where I'm gonna do an episode where I discuss what I look for my reviews, what I look for when my priorities when reacting. Sorry, I keep saying reacting. See, this is if I wasn't live streaming, I would cut that out and kind of start over and then over. Yeah, and then until I got it right. But this is live streaming, I have like keep going, and that's a really big key here here on this streaming. So it's very important to really keep that in mind. It's that if you mess up, just keep going. People will understand that it's a live stream, so yeah, like keep moving forward with the stuff you want to do because yeah, it's a great way to do so. However, when I normally I would download this video and then I would add and then I would put on YouTube. However, I would export the video with the mistakes cut out, but I'm not gonna do it this time. I'm just gonna go all in for this one. Just like, for example, like I said about this live stream I don't, and sometimes a lot of people live stream because they don't want to edit. I'm not saying they're lazy, I'm just saying that they prefer to do our things, they have our content ideas, they have to do, they have our things they want to do, so that's something to keep keep in mind is that there's always a reason why someone wants to not rush the content, but like, dude, do one, um, they probably have multiple things they have to do and work on our things, so they have to focus on that. So yeah, so next week I will do I will discuss how I will grow and react to. Oh my gosh, I do say react when I say review movies and films. So and a little bit more detail about why I watch movies and I don't review them. That's that's a topic that to be discussed further. I shall discuss more about next time over there. So hopefully you guys learned something about live streaming. If you have any questions, let me know in the YouTube comments below. We'll see you all of you next week. Maybe I'll try to do this either Tuesdays or yeah, maybe Tuesdays. We'll see. It's it'll be every Tuesday or now then. And I'll see if I can. It'll be another day in the week. Maybe Friday. We'll see. Just have it. Either I think Tuesday and Wednesdays will be better for this podcast. We'll see. I have a lot of things to work on. I didn't jump over to Twitch just to play for a while. So that's why check me out there on Twitch. Was it type be official? Yeah, just we'll see. First half, I put it on YouTube and LinkedIn and all that fun stuff. Alright, and audio as well. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Have a wonderful week. I'll see you soon. Bye.